Hey there! Here's how to export a backup from your CECIES app safely. If you're clueless about what this even is, check out the first introductory video in the CECIES series on the Glitched Polygons YouTube channel. When you're in the CECIES application with your keyring unlocked and loaded, open it. In here, you have a button called Export Backup. With it, you can export a backup of your public-private key pair as well as every recipient public key you have in your keyring. Sounds scary, right? That's because it is, and that's because you must protect your backup with a password. This can be any password, but make sure to not forget it, because otherwise your backup becomes worthless. Also, don't store the password alongside the backup. You will need the password again when importing the backup into another CECIES instance. On success, your backup will be written into your CECIES output field. Copy that to a file or somewhere safe, and again, remember the password with which you exported it. This string can then be imported into another CECIES app. This feature is useful if, for example, you're migrating machines, want to port your keyring to the CECIES Android app, which by the way is cross-compatible. You can export from the Android app into the Windows, Mac or Linux app and vice versa. Or also if you just want a backup of your whole CECIES setup, which is a fully legit thing to do by the way, and very recommended, if you follow the safety precautions. Thanks for watching and have a great time. Take care.